Hello everyone, this is going to be very useful video to you. So my sincere request to everyone, please like, comment and subscribe. And comment whatever doubts you have in the comment section. This is going to be really useful. Please see from the first minute to last minute. Don't skip in between. It's my sincere request. Let me start. So I have experience of approximately 15 years. I guided 25 lakh students. So many my students are toppers. I see most of the toppers are my students only. So through experience, I'm saying, the starting subject, if you are preparing for GATE CSE exam, the starting subject should be C programming. It should be the starting subject. Start with C programming, followed by data structure, followed by algorithms. Start with this. First to programming, next data structure, next algorithm. Right? Please follow this. However, you can follow whatever order you like. But in my opinion, through experience, start with programming first. C programming start, followed by data structure, followed by algorithms. Right? These are the three things. Followed by DLD, right? Digital logic design. DLD followed by DLD. Next one, right? TOCCD, theory of computation and compiler design. These the next two subjects. Followed by DBMS. Right? Followed by discrete mathematics and computer network. Followed by operating system and COA, aptitude and mathematics. This is the order. So I'm repeating once again. C programming start, followed by data structure, followed by algorithm. These three, because maximum weightage will be there for these three things. Right? Next one, DLD, followed by TOC and compiler design, followed by DBMS. Right? Next one, right? Discrete mathematics and computer network, aptitude, COA, mathematics. So this is the order. Right? So some places you can change also. Multiple people will say multiple orders. This is the one of the order where most of the toppers followed this. Please follow like this. Please follow. If you have small doubt also, comment in the comment section. If you are a GATE CSE aspirant, follow this order. Any doubt there, please comment in the comment section. Right? I hope this will be really useful to you. Right? Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.